Igbo ndị ọma njem na-ekene m n'ụbọchị nke taata. Biko o nwere nji maka ya wee bịa because this thing now m na-anụ ya afụtụmbe m onye o mere anyway. So m na-anụ that na o nwere some girls ọ ga-abụ ndị ụmụ nwoke anyị bụ ndị Igbo ọlụ ha kpọbata ha n'obodo oyibo or maybe n'obodo ndị ọzọ na-abụrọ Nigeria as a wife or maybe as a girlfriend or something like that. Then at the end of the day they end up dumping the person because that na ịbịa na obodo oyibo ịbịa ifo that na law favor ụmụ nwanyị karịa ụmụ nwoke, unlike Nigeria law favor ụmụ nwoke karịa ụmụ nwanyị. So ịbịa n'obodo oyibo na ọ ga-abịa ịkpọrọ mmadụ kpọgote any little thing in your why or report gị. If the person reports you, you are gone. So now this video is all about ndị ụmụ nwanyị ọ ga-abụ eduru ha dupụta n'obodo oyibo ịmago azụwa ha na school or maybe azụcha ha na school ebe ahụ ha gaa ebe ahụ mago ụmụ nwoke eduru ha dufete ha ebe ahụ azụọ ya ha nụrụ anụ or maybe onye ha ka ga-anụ then onye ahụ weta ọrụ wee na-arụ ọrụ. As time goes on o feel like na adịgo comfortable na relax go on her own or may one or two things just to do what to bring misunderstanding between yawa na onye nke ya, and before you know it onye ahụ hapụ ya ịmago ọ hapụ the person ọ hapụ onye kpọbatara ya ma ọ ga report ya na aka ndị uwe ojii na ala bekee. Then before you know it onye ahụ lose property ya and other things, and which is very bad. I mean some girls self otu ha si eme ihe self they don't even reason. Ị nọ na your house so mmadụ akpọrọ gị you were there suffering and nobody saw you. Okwe bịa elu gị aka ụmụnne gị okwe bịa elu gị aka nothing. You just nọ ebe a na-ata ahụhụ. Then onye nke Chukwu na-achọ iji wee gozie gị finally God na leta from the person wee gozie gị wee kpọrọ gị kpọbata gị na ebe nke obi. Uche na ọ bụ na sọsọ ya wanọ ọnọrọ onwe ya with peace of mind. Oyighị ya ije chọrọ onye ọcha ebe ahụ nọ mana ịmago ndị be anyị na-like ịnụ ndị obodo anyị ịghọta just to avoid I don't know how I'm going but it seems like it's just to avoid wahala ịghọta because some of ndị obodo oyibo asef ọ na-abụ ịghọta ha ịmago ọ dịka a ga-asị na ịnụrụ ọ na-adịwa somehow n'ala Igbo. So unlike now I think they are trying now to get married to white men, unlike white women, I mean to say, unlike before. And likewise, our women are getting married to white men also. But the main thing is that I don't see a reason the mother gets you where uputagi na poverty. Ologi ubagi obodo Igbo. Leba ha na-arụ ọrụ. Then you were making, we look at all, we wetewe ego nke gị. Or iwe mata mmadụ maybe one man like that n'obodo oyibo onye ọcha ị ga-asụwa ya. Then ọ bụrụ that na ị chọrọ the man, please kindly tell the man say achọghịzikwa m ka m gawala ụwa m karịa ịga ime ihe ọ ga-abịa ime ọ bịa lose property ya afụna nchọtawa since ọ bịa jiri because of go wee lose ya. My sister, God will never forgive you. Even you yourself, you can never forgive anybody or your brother that kind of thing, and you will not forgive yourself for doing this kind of thing. It's very bad. Open a choice you might just open up to the person. So yeah, and for a choice when Kalia Ibiana so you go may one or two things property full or you go because now law favor only inside down. The choice you do so yeah and do kuna. Ndị uwe ojii or maybe dupia na ndị ọkaikpe abịa kpee ikpe kpechi ikpe. At the end of the day you end up having all the property. It's very wrong, my sister. It's very, very wrong. It's very wrong. God will never forgive you. Maka na ihe ahụ ime ị ga-atanata ahụfịa. Ọ bụ maka ị ga-ata ahụfịa ị ga-atanata ahụfịa. And I pray that na onye ọbụla na-eme nke ya bụ ya wata adị ahụfụ ka ọ hapụ iru ụmụ ya. Then go up nke nwoke ị na-eme ihe were mmiri saa elu gị Sailugi of more again why make you if she came at the kind of person, though now some women will hide their character until you get married to them. And so know the kind of person we are dating. Know that if this woman you love money more than any other thing. There are so many ways you can try your girlfriend, there are so many ways you can try your wife. I had a story about one lady na Nigeria, knowing fully well that no na dey enweghị nke chee ya emegokwu ya na amegokwe m onye ọcha o nyọta, and the man open up to her or sịkwa no problem. At the end of the day, after ka emechara everything, ọ bịa zọwa onye ga-abụ diọkpala onye na-ama bụ diọkpala, ịbatabedo abata ịka jigodo ofu nwa bịa nwa na-abụ something like that, ịzọwago nwa gị ga-abụ diọkpala ma ya ọ bụrụ ya maka abụ diọkpala, knowing fully well that you are the one that is second wife. My sister, think twice before you do anything. And do more kesani sanaya before you na-eduru any girl edubete ebe ị nọ n'obodo oyibo. Make sure that na imo ya, and also pray. Ihe ọbụla ị na-eme, make sure that you consult God first. Buru everything ọbụla iche ime first, bugara ya n'aka Chukwu na first. Let him be the one to decide first before you can go on and do whatever you want to do. So be careful. Then as for young ladies that is heartless out there, please, I beg you in the name of God, come in na ị ga-ebutelu mmadụ problem. Is better na ịhapụla ọya ahụ ka ọ gawala ọrụ ya. Iji na BP gbuwa mmadụ n'oge ya erube. Ọ gwụkwana m kọrọ m n'ọnụ. Biko echefuna ike comment, share this video, click a like button. Echefuna ike on your notification. The most importantly, subscribing this channel is very, very important. Biko watch you go the video until again if market and then any video.
All these women, DNA she from Nigeria, but in America, and they have been here. Their husband may be taxi driver. DNA ga moto, nyanya moto na suffer. What I go? All of a sudden, DNA has school and upon nursing school. After the nursing school, have matana the man is too old. Now the man in nation she. Now the man cannot perform in the bed. This has been the same man that Lorogina Nigeria, Dowegina Nigeria, did all these things for you in Nigeria. You did not complain, no. Even people that I know very well, Amudi herself and Iblina Nigeria, but they still manage it. So what is the difference of this man in Potagi here? The man brought you from Nigeria to here and equipped you by what? Paying for your school fees to attend nursing school. After going to this nursing school, what are the results for you to pay back? You start counting. Oh, the man does not bath. Oh, the man does not clean up. Oh, the man cannot brush. This is it. But you did not see all those faults. After your nursing school, you got a good job, making 6 figures in a year, or even more than that. You can't remember say the man is not your class. Now God go punish you, man. Now God go punish you, man. It shall never be well with all of you. All of you. Oh God, man. Before you know it, you go allow one akata to hang your leg. No long. You be the woman God. You don't feel where they say your husband know they suck to do. The man be the woman God. Get batazi. You start changing rules and regulations in your household. Now God go punish you, man. Before you know it, your husband go catch you for hotel. Yahugebe, a young akata boy, because akata ja nwa job. And when even they no go to go on, they go to discuss, they tell you say how they do them, and you fall for their trick. The man has now become a piece of shit. The man is no longer worthy to be your husband. The man is no longer to nurse you. Because maybe the man and no chaka, ima kabu driver, you be a general child, you get tired. Those people work so hard, but the job is so intense. By then you remember say they do 16 hours. You remember say you cannot come back. You have emergency. Now God punish all of you. You see, you don't go better for now. A lot of these things that I'm telling you now have have happened in this United States. May God help all of you. Now here we must match on back to back. Okay,